Hi everyone, here we've got MEIZU M6T and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So firstly, let's enter the settings, and now we have to scroll and tap on the personalization. Now let's enter the wallpaper right here, and as you can see here, we've got some defaultly installed wallpapers from which we can choose, so we've got only two defaultly installed wallpapers. What's more, we can tap on select from the gallery, so obviously you will be transferred to your own photos. What's more, if you have the internet connection, you can tap on online in the right upper corner, and now you will be transferred to another wallpapers which you can use and set as your own wallpaper. So in order to check the preview, just tap on it, for example this one, and as you can see, if you are happy with your choice, just tap on apply right in the middle. Here you can decide if you'd like to set it on the lock screen, home screen, or both, and I will pick both. So if you are done, just tap on OK. And as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied, so we can go back and check. And as you can see, from now on, this wallpaper will be on our home screen. What's more, it is also applied to the lock screen. I hope so. Let's check. And as you can see, it is visible right here. So actually that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your MEIZU M6T. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.